It's time for a shrimp boil. I'm Chef Jasper, and today we're in the kitchen doing a shrimp boil, but I'm taking it to another level, something you're really going to enjoy, something that's easy for you. That's right. How about a sheet pan? That's right. Instead of the big old pot, we're going to do it in a sheet pan. The only thing you have to boil ahead of time are the potatoes, which I already have in there, and some corn. So this is going to go by pretty quickly. So let's add our corn. It only needs to stay in there for a few minutes. Now, let's get prepped here and get this whole thing going. We have some butter. We have some Old Bay. Come on. You got to have that Old Bay. That's just like the whole essence of this whole dish here. Of course, we have some onions, and you just may want to quarter those or cut them in thirds. It's really up to you. Decide, depending on the size of those onions. I love red onions for this. People always ask me, what do you cook like a pasta sauce with red onion? Oh no, only when I'm roasting with the red onion or in a salad, but that's it. And of course, I got some, here we go. You know me and my green onions, cut these up here. They don't have to be perfect. We're not looking for anything perfect in this. We want some nice pieces here, and then save this because we'll do a little design with that. Of course, some andouille. I like to cut this andouille up in about 1-inch pieces here. That should be enough. And gotta have it, guys, some garlic. Don't smash that garlic, just cut it. I like the slices, and I'm gonna just put some of that garlic in with that Old Bay and butter. Mix this all together, and like I said, it's called sheet pan. That's what it is. We're just going to mix everything together. A little bit of time, and you know what? We got a great dish, so easy and absolutely delicious. So let's get this ball rolling here. Look at these beautiful shrimp, huh? Keep the tail on, keep the shell on. You're going to want to do that. All right. Of course, now let's just mix all this in there. Oh my, some of that garlic. Here we go. A little trick of mine. Just cut that thyme. Get yourself some scissors. Makes it a little bit easier. Some of that sausage. Just like a big old marinade is what we're doing here. And we are almost ready, of course, for that corn and those potatoes. And all we're going to do now is just get this and mix it all up. And you know what? I gave you a measurement for that butter. Come on. A little more butter, a little more Old Bay. It's not going to hurt. I'm even going to sprinkle this more with a little bit more. Now, get this all mixed together. And you got it. Here we go. Get those potatoes and corn. Put them right in here. A little water is not going to hurt it. It's going to help with the juices, of course. That corn, did I tell you 3 minutes? Was that just perfect or what? Give this all a good toss. And I don't want to waste anything. I know it's all about the sheet pan shrimp today, but guess what? I love my corn. That's right. Kind of mix this up a little bit from the bottom. Get a big old bowl, big old mixing bowl. And then, I told you we're going to need just a little bit more at the beginning here. Just a little bit. Because we ain't finished yet, I'll tell you that. Scatter this all around. There we go. Look at this. How about it? Doesn't get much better than that. I'll tell you that. Kind of move everything around there a little bit. The more shrimp, the merrier. What else can we add here? I don't know. Some other vegetables? Not really. I want to keep this a shrimp boil. Kind of keep it original. A little more Old Bay right on top. Don't tell nobody. A little bit of butter, more butter drizzled on there. That's it. That's all we have to do. We're ready. Put this in the oven, 400 degrees. I'm telling you, it's going to cook very, very quickly. Potatoes and corn are already done, but man, the smell before I even put it in the oven, I'm ready. Let's go. Sheet pan shrimp right out of the oven. That's right. It's a shrimp boil on a sheet pan in the oven, back out in 12 to 15 minutes. Oh, I'm ready. But let's finish this up. How about some lemon wedges, of course? Some people just like the lemons, you know, with their shrimp boil. Or what I like to do, spread a little love right on top of that. There we go. And come on, you know what's going to happen. Some of this butter right on top. Oh, yeah. It doesn't get any better, any better than this right here. Sprinkle with some more green onions. Now, that's just more for design, you know, a little presentation. And if you want just a little touch more, Old Bay, that's what it's all about. Finish it up with some thyme. We'll just put that all around there. And you know what? We have a delicious, mouth-watering meal everyone's going to enjoy. You don't have to go through all the mess and all that, boiling and all that. Forget about it. Shrimp boil on a sheet pan. Does it get any better? This is something I would be honored to serve my family. Oh, yeah. Brought to you by Hen House Markets.